Northwestern border of Sri Pada Nature Reservation ends in Daraniyagala Maliboda site. There is a hike called Eli Hatha, which is not very popular among normal travelers. There, as we reach to the top of the mountain, we can find 7 major waterfalls. Today, I am going to show you the beauty of Eli Hatha. Once we enter to the forest, there is no proper route to reach these falls. We need to make the route and go. And also, these small routes get disappeared soon due to rapid plant growth. Therefore, it is very important to get help from a local guide who is very familiar with the place. Now we have reached to the first waterfall. Then let's go to the second one. Here are the second and third waterfalls. Although we reached there in a rainy season, you can see that the water levels of these streams are very low. Reason is water of these falls is diverted to a mini hydro plant. So we must go to the fourth fall to see the real beauty of them. Now we are on the way to the fourth fall. It took only around half an hour for us to reach to the third fall. But villagers said that it will take around 2 hours to reach to the fourth fall. And the route here is also very difficult. As per villagers, the most difficult part of the journey starts from here. After having a little break at the fifth fall, now let's go to the sixth one. It takes around 6 to 7 hours for us to reach to the 6th fall. So you can stay night there and continue to the 7th fall in the next day. Here comes our most amazing destination, the 7th fall. Villagers say that the Naya River starts beyond 5 kilometers away from this place. After this great journey, now let's go back. We came here along these falls, but now we can go back through the forest. There we can see so many giant and uncommon trees. It takes around 4 hours to go back from this way. Hope you have enjoyed the beauty of Mother Nature. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to hit like for this video also. I have uploaded more details about this Eli Hatha journey in my Dailylife.lk site. There you can get more information.